First thing you want to do is you want to gather up your parts. You want to gather up the EFTTTCW201 gas valve. After you get the gas valve, what you want to do is you want to grab your tools. Grab your tools and a stick of yum. Then you want to, what do you want to do? You want to get the pipe wrenches. We'll take one pipe wrench right here, buddy. And then we get two pipe wrenches right here, buddy. And then next thing we do, buddy, is we get right here, buddy. One bag. One bag. Then you want to take your gum. Take your gum. Chew it up good. Put the tools into the bag. Okay, buddy. We must get to the roof now, buddy. What to do after getting onto the roof? You want to remove the panel. Take the panel, take the power, and put it to off. Next, you want to pull out this panel. Put the panel on top of the unit. Next, take out this guy right here and make him real loose, buddy. Yes, buddy. Just make sure you valve off the gas. Make sure, buddy, you don't want to have any problems. You want to valve off the gas. See, valve. Next, we're going to take off the union. You want to take the union off. Take your pipe wrench, put it on the union. All right, let's see. You take the pipe wrench and you put it on the union. Take the pipe wrench. You put it on the union. Let's see. Do we get lucky today? That's not the buddy. There we go, buddy. Buddy, if I go the wrong way, buddy. Sometimes you have to go the wrong way to go the right way. You know what I say, buddy? Okay. Next we're going to low brown. Okay, buddy? Okay, buddy. After you remove the bulb, you want to put tape on. Put tape. Go with the way you spin. Put the bulb on. Put the wires back. Now I'm going to show you what to put this one onto here. You want to take the bulb like this. Do this little bit. Give it good energy. Then you want to take the bulb and screw on the bulb. Ta-da!